Ebusunya asama ba me no ka say de ko kopiemu ewo eye Kasoa ene ne potemu dia NDC executive say ho eda ba beto ja say Naa Koryor obi a umbu nipa obi a ne hwemu bon no na eno nti ene ntora wotwa ede ato eye honorable maybe say wakunse eso nti no o make sure say obeko one term omo say eno so achi no omo send strong warning eda koma Johnson ase edunketia the national chairman edema the National Democratic Congress and I say NDC omo say omo hu say ono so ka omo say Naa Koryor echi e ma ne ye sanema na oye no eno nti Naa Koryor embu obia e wo Kasoa ene ne potemu especially the NDC executives ama asem we aya asem kese e wo media no so akire say yo be fa bia na no na obia e ka ho asem e no mo say ene Naa Koryor ne say ye wudi ni papa esan so no ka sa ne party fo mpo e ka say dia fa ne wo dey say papa no maame no insamo a just ka amanfo kafa no enye nsem papa na haya Ghana nsem TV eso edi amje so no ene promise no be kwa ko tie nsem a NDC executives mo Kasoa ene to dwade afa Naa Koryor ni wi a ya ba kire adwen ebusua ye nkombra
MP so afede what's
MP
enya wuti senya east
ono di oye nchikwa wa yilem me kama chira bia
awie tike okay cancel
oye nchikwa wa yilem
aya mo MP
oye ono beko mesi obeko one time
Naa Koryor
udi ye hwe 2020 hwe de me besi Masa, mami cho. Me de ma ho de anim ni ndie o, ani sika club no be support party no. Sabi obi ama me down. Enti me meti wo no, utu me kire me say party na me makumi ho ma party na ba power no. E go position, e je juma.
Okay.
Because of who self interest. I said you get you very careful. Omo mu de chomu tu no fo. Anya say se be ka no, obenu no. Uti we u ka kire say wo she coat that. Na say wo she coat that baja. E na nam help o ma panye diti. What's that address coat? Abra ko America go say my jacket.
Hey.
Master, let's be the fact.
Okay.
I'm being honest with you. I didn't know you time. Any war. It is a Francais. All of you examine the what people talk. What people talk.
Okay.
Say a year a big minister and the Korea what people talk. Young kind of correct say you make sure say and near man of papa yellow. And find come with the ever party. No, you obviously be the both power. But to me, because of a chairman general. Sure, or forget the chairman general.
Okay.
Now you want more, ya two, you go put two shall go so. Little no, you hope a janka, you one woman do man penny, and you offer a bit, or tell me because you say the concert or your campaign also, or Koto, Tobin Oko, Tobin the city Oko. Okay, maybe a branch organizer. It means to me too about.
Okay.
And have a say to talk. What I said, Mummy, you need to come out. I'm on your corner. I will a year in this level. And yes, I think a campaign. Who cry out to a crown? We a campaign. Wow, to a campaign because minimum phobia. No, me and people before out to be said because of a kufuado. I'm a more 10 time. I'm more funtino. They all voted for the NDC power. I'm being honest with you. It's in your ear. I go for the chino. Your best I tell you, yeah, Kasoa one here. Bob will be about to know, and I'm sure. Maybe to know, sad the people, you make change the same one. I want to go over to Abba. I'm an amateur to Abano.
Okay.
Watch it. Hey, yeah. Why a first one? I'm a Mustafa Bandi Abakasamo. Who say so I don't respect anybody in the NDC party, as I say.
I see.
Who you say my Koso?
Who
you say my Koso?
When I want man, you go into
yet in some Yema.
Okay.
Come here, say, Kumiano. You show to cray. You can't cray. You didn't call it chassis near Tietia so. No be a Tietia for would you so. No call. And is the party on. And said to me, sir, a year bambuche. It's the only ye. See, I'll tell you, boss, young soon like a day. Yes, we may be enough for you in some other. Mommy, for the credit and no don't enter this because NDC. I a party beer. Ghana for one and NDC party and then in Crophobia. That means specifically say we make Kayira Mahama won some and then Tiki in fact Mahama fi do bojumo na makoma head atomiyo yep belly any 1 year you said all this thing at agreement na otentimi ameti wa kosi chubu abia santini asabe me nia ti asabe minimu nya say wo be ka ko thank you to where thank you to and how to ade wo to ade we you thank you to wo to ho na meka ni anya kupo ehira no otanfu tumi ede anyi firi sɛ mo da Yellow Mama Mamono Buno. So shut the whole NDC machinery now. You will never be a share of Quema. I see a tree of Boise. You know, it is a young woman sabin producer. To point to get now, also this day when I say, oh, Katie, and to quite be a day, I'm movie. What I said now, it's a mess, you resent it. I say, you're all yellow. Say, NDC company for agriculture or a chairman. You're moving, you're about to the bomb, no.
That's all no ask about Monte because Mamma pre-post is it now? I feel a partner about Bemo. I feel a partner about a Bemo, a Fena or more a year market there. Is it then a should be seen or no moment or cast as had any?
What's on the head?
Okay, say party name unya position and abutre na enche omuguso omuchiche amana so biaso.
Ma make us amateur, you were saying that you were smart too.
Sound.
Say you were saying that you Kasa. Aji ubia. Na dwimu no.
Okay.
Ono be friend sa. Be wo dwimu do a. Wo beti no person chira say.
Okay.
So ko gina baabi. E ka say the entia oba na no okoto no. Because the position and prefer the enyan no. Ana me boa na. Ma make us amateur. So obi tiafo say you be. Ko hwe krofo a o ma frefre me o mo bre. Oh, for say be executive for say be titi fia say be omo kam me am ti am for say be so sika gubi so na so me ho kire me papa me da bakra me nya bi na so party who don't me na me ye campaign.
Okay.
Me do NDC party too much because of the we are amamu no etie.
Okay.
I no be na say support to NDC eye me hu say party na me mo ko dwani mre bi no in fact na enkoye intercept say samadre. Enti ene no se wo ka kire constituency by constituency say omunti na wo yesa na masa eyon tro.
Okay.
Eyon tro. O twa tro kire gana
ebusua nti nsɛm a papa yi edi atodwo mbɛka isa papa we a papa we na time a helicopter crash ni si ya obetena we to bɛka nsɛm hunu bi no. Yes, oye NDC executives ɛwɔ Kasoa na ɔse obe make sure say Naa Koryor even the next NDC Parliamentary Primaries on bɛkɔ no maame no ebe lusu primaries. Or say maame no embu omo. She doesn't regard them on form on she say or the omonim to form and no they will make sure and do everything in their power to make sure say maame we no ebeko fie na akọ position in 2028. But I can tell you on authority say the NDC is going to lose the Ewotu Senya East constituency in the 2028 general elections. For that, I can tell you on authority say it is going to happen. Yes, I can tell you on authority say it's going to happen because from what this woman waye and the kind of lifestyle I will live any near waye Ewotu Senya no, I'm very sure say by now the people of Ewotu Senya enu omo mposo mo to abaye den e de ma no. The people of Ewotu Senya omo nu omo so mo to abaye den e de ma no, because as a member of parliament na otimi control say the two nua so all in the name of power they are na so now the NDC people nankasa are saying that you don't even respect them for mo nyehwe, and that's what I assure mo here almost for mo nyehwe we do onim ayeye form, and because of that no they are going to make sure they vote against you. They are going to make sure they vote against you, and that's what they are saying. You heard the man what he said, and you tomorrow say there is pain in his voice because what this woman is doing in the constituency is not right. What is happening in the constituency now is not right. And when I walk, I say NDC for be pray that constituency anymore, they are complaining over this same issue. This same issue, they are complaining. This same issue. There is a lot of videos from this same constituency even 3 days ago. Maybe a video be zongo phobia mo on so I send warning. And they must have the same MP, which means there is something going on in that constituency that we need to find out. Something going on in that constituency that we need to find out. Ever since our parliament, she has never made any submission on the floor of parliament. Maintain I've never heard her say or make any statements at the floor of parliament. What did I say? And I'm telling you, say, The NDC is losing the 2028 general elections, the parliamentary seat Utu Senya East, because of this Naa Koryor. She will be the reason why the NDC will lose that seat. She will be the reason. And you all will be here in 2028 on the 8th of December to tell me, say, okay, but you because the seat is coming back to the New Patriotic Party. Not only that place, Ablekuma North will be coming back to the New Patriotic Party. Ablekuma West will be coming back to the New Patriotic Party. Ablekuma Central will be coming back to the New Patriotic Party. Because I'm going to make sure these constituencies, I go down and campaign against all the NDC MPs there, because they are not doing anything in Parliament. They are not. So we are going to work tired, like we are going to work, make sure, say, they lose their seats. We'll make sure we do it. We will make sure we do it. So watch out. Watch out. Guys, let me also know what you think in the comment section about what the NDC man said about Naa Koryor. Meeting at the promise, Eeii NDC TV.